Because if you believe that you can do amazing things with amazing results, that's the thing about belief.
Success stories can inspire millions of people, but only a few dare to take a step forward. And this is exactly what our client, Cardone Ventures, is set to change. Cardone Ventures is a business consulting company that helps small businesses grow and scale their revenue. And to help those who help others, we took over the challenge of setting up an entire audiovisual production for their real estate summit. This event was a deep dive into the latest real estate market trends, featuring industry giants Grant Cardone and Brandon Dawson. Over the course of 2 days, 400 attendees gathered to gain insights from these top speakers. The stage was framed by a 20-foot pipe and black drape backdrop, adding an elegant touch to the setting and ensuring there was no distraction from the presentation. To ensure everyone had a clear view of the valuable information prepared by the organizers, we set up 2 massive unilumin LED screens, each with a 16:10 aspect ratio. With a total of 120 panels combined, these screens flanked the stage, providing a vibrant display of all the materials presented. Capturing every moment, we deployed 3 high-quality RED cameras. These weren't just for recording. We also used them to broadcast a live feed directly onto the LED screens. This way, no matter where the guests are seated in the hall, they will have a front-row experience. The audio was nothing short of impeccable. We chose the L Acoustics Siva audio system and meticulously created a sound design using the Sound Vision software. Our goal? To ensure that every attendee in the venue could hear every word crisp and clear.
And I said, "What do I do with this money, Grant?" And he said, "Give it to me." He was terrified.
Lighting also played a key role in setting the stage. We used ETC Color Source Spot LEDs, over 20 moving heads for dynamic accent lighting, and more than 50 uplights. In total, we had over 100 lighting fixtures to create the perfect ambiance and exceed our clients' expectations. For crystal clear communication, presenters were equipped with the Shure Action microphone system. And to keep our team coordinated with speakers, we relied on the ClearComm system for seamless communication between technicians and the client. This event was supported by our elite crew of over 15 professionals, with 7 specialists operating the setup during the event. But the experience didn't end there. For VIP guests, we had a special breakout room. It featured 2 projectors casting onto 10x6 screens, another L Acoustics audio setup, and microphones for VIP discussions with Brandon Dawson and Grant Cardone. Every detail was crafted with precision, ensuring that the Real Estate Summit was not just an event, but an unforgettable experience. If you want to see more of our AV production, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next event.
Rent for event, nothing but performance.